slime. It's fine. Look at me. So what you need: glue, activator, and that's how to make regular slime. You need glue. If you're doing glitter slime, you just need the like this, and there's so much more slime. But I'm not gonna make that much right now. But yeah, you want to use parent permission to use a bowl because you don't want to use it and you don't have permission to use it. That's one rule. So yeah, it's sticky. So when you get done mixing it, you want to knead it a little bit. So I'm going to get my hands in, and you just knead it. It's gonna be sticky at first, but don't mind that. It's sticky. It's gonna get a little sticky at first, but it will get better if you just keep on kneading it, because you can't keep mixing it. So yeah, it's gonna be really sticky at first because you're just now making it. So see how it's already come together. Then you want to throw it back in there and mix a little more. See, it's fine. I have slimes all over my hand, and that's okay. The more you play with it, the more it gets better. Make sure you go over the bowl.
That ain't ought to be done. If it's not done by now, it's over in the class and it's not done. Come today. How you doing?
Hi, Sanjay.
Sorry, my plans yet. You can't eat nothing yet, can you? Not till tomorrow. Take the egg and hold it in your hand while you peel it. While you peel it, the peel comes out. It's easy.
Yeah, that's what I like to do.
Hold it under the hot water, under the cold water. Peel comes out real good.
Then the extra access, you can just wash it off the extra access. Blue hands. Got blue hands. So the extra, you just stick it on there. And then
I just boiled an egg. She said it's not with eggs. It's that boiled egg is boiled with an egg. Maybe tomorrow, your grandpa's coming to get you around 11:30 or so, because the social worker is supposed to come tomorrow, Mauricio.
oh yeah, that's what it's
Right, so, I'll be ready, because I'll be gone, probably, I probably won't be back by then. He's coming, before he has to go to work. Get the time to fix. Yeah, that's all I need to do. Yeah, just have to do all of it. We have a jogger down in Union Station at 2 o'clock today. Let me take you down there. Take the resume.
spatula. We just mix a little bit more because this one's sticky. This one got sticky. I didn't even add that much activator. So this one's probably overactivated. I don't know. I haven't added much activator. Probably needs a little bit more because it's a little sticky. Probably needs a little bit more activator to make it not so sticky. Yeah, but that's the point. Because yesterday mine got sticky and it got unsticky really quick. So I don't know. So I'm just gonna have a little activate to see what happens, see if it fixes the problem. Because I know I'm not overactivating it. There we go. It's getting not so sticky because I put a little bit more activator. There we go. It's not that sticky anymore. Okay, so this is glitter slime. It does not look the same. It doesn't look so dark as it was. It's gonna change. The color is definitely gonna change when you make it. The color's gonna change. It's not as dark as it was, but that's what's happening. So it's crunchy at first, but what made me mad is when I made slime, it was crunchy when I first made it, and it wasn't crunchy anymore. Because I liked it crunchy. So we're going to try not to make this video so long, but that's just steps how to make slime. So when you make slime, you're going to go fast while you eat it. And yeah, get all the extra excess from the bowl. Because I'm going to make clear slime, and I don't want that much access on it, you know? Because, you know what I mean. So, yeah. It's better now. Look at it. There's still some more clear slime. I don't know. I have a problem with that. I don't use all the glue. I thought I did, but I didn't. Because it looked like I added a lot. But I didn't, so... That's good, because I didn't add all the glue in that bottle too. I guess that's a good thing. Okay. So this is a tiny slime. So now we're just going to get some of the excess. So what you want to do is you want to take it off and you want to just mix it. You get all that excess from the bowl. You want to got a little bit on my hoodie, but that's okay for me. So guys, I'll see you in a little. We're back with the slime. Here it is. It's still a little bit sticky, but the more you play with it, the more it's not so sticky. So, get it down a little bit. Okay. It's stretchy. That's the point of slime. If it's not stretchy, it's not slime. It's putty. Or it's just something that you just made, I guess. But yeah. Who does not like slime? Comment down below if you like slime, if you don't like slime. Because I love slime. It's my favorite. Why don't you want to fill it? It's not that sticky anymore.
It's okay.
We both flush it.
Dee asked if I wanted to feel the slime.
Oh.
So another tip is not to put slime on your neck if you have neck hair because it hurts. I accidentally put slime on my neck and it pulled off some hair off my neck and that hurt, but I guess it's good because I don't want neck hair anyway, so that's a good thing, I guess. So how the lighting is so bad. There we go, a little bit better. I'm about to try to make a bubble. Oh, I did not make a bubble. I did not make a bubble, so it looks sticky, but you're just gonna go fast with the slime. Just learn that. As I start to put slime, one more. You can put slime on my hoodie. This slime is not going good. Just got slime on my hoodie. This is literally my favorite hoodie. And I'm messing it up. And slime does not come off as easily as some people think it does. I've got a lot of my clothes a lot, and I've gotten in trouble for it. You better find out a way to get that stuff off, because I ain't getting it off. That's how I get in trouble. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, it's irritating. It just keeps flinging. I'm not gonna wear this hoodie anymore. After it's literally my favorite hoodie. Seriously, my favorite hoodie. And I'm messing it up.
Fold-up chairs are in the garage.
Okay.
Careful not to smash the car. You got slime on your clothes?
I kept doing this and getting stuff.
Probably the spot on it, the stain. Yeah, you got it all over your clothes. That's not good.
No.
That's not gonna, don't do that. It's just gonna have to go in the laundry. So, go find something else to put on and I'll see if we can get that off.
Okay.
We're back and I changed my shirt. Okay, so subscribe, comment, share, and leave a like if you enjoyed, and if you like this slime, if you like the sparkles and all that. And yeah, and comment below if you learned how to make slime.